Hi, I'm Michelle from Broad-Minded Solutions. Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I'm going to share with you knowledge on how to get started in affiliate marketing. Here on this channel, I will share with you the exact steps and actions that I took to start an online passive income affiliate marketing business that is matching my six-figure 9-to-5 inside of 6 months, working 2 to 3 hours a day. Be sure to check the video description below for links to all my affiliate products that I use to promote this business. Stick with me and you will learn how to make money online, worldwide, 24 hours a day and 365 days a year, all by setting up and running a passive income online business. This next video is about the mistakes that new and not so new affiliate marketers make on a regular basis. Let's get started. We all have a set of expectations going into this journey in affiliate marketing. Some of those expectations are healthy and they will spur us on to even greater success. And some of them are unhealthy and they will prevent us from reaching our true potential. Right now, we are going to talk about how expectations can help and hinder you as you start your new journey as an affiliate marketer. There are a lot of success stories that can be super inspirational to anyone first starting out, but believing that you will experience the same success at the same speed is where the thinking gets really unhealthy. We want results yesterday, like in 24 hours, but that is not realistic thinking. What we need is to plant and water the idea that we are creating a sustainable, viable online business that over time will gradually gain success and bring us a profitable business. It is essential to have a long-term plan. Success in business, in any form, whether it is online or otherwise, is a marathon and not a sprint. This is where goal setting comes into play. Knowing where you want to go will allow you to plan the steps to get there. Setting a long-term goal can be very helpful. Say you're making 4 figures monthly in your online affiliate marketing business and you want to grow to 5 figures monthly. What are the steps that you need to put in place to achieve that growth? Do you need to post on TikTok 3 to 5 times a day? Do you need to create YouTube content in long format? Do you need to repurpose all your TikTok videos for other social media platforms like Pinterest and Instagram on a daily basis as well? The best opportunity for growth is exposure to a greater audience, and so that will bring you an increase in the amount of money you're making. That means you need to set healthy expectations and make a plan that you will stick to faithfully to follow and hopefully achieve your goals. This next suggestion for starting out in affiliate marketing also applies to experienced affiliate marketers. Who would think that reviewing your affiliate links is a key to success? It's so surprisingly simple, but you would think that it doesn't need to be discussed. But the key reason why people are not successful in affiliate marketing, their links don't work. Over time, links can change, and the variety of places where our affiliate links are posted can grow to be quite a list. These products go out of stock, the companies can change, they can change the hosts of their affiliate programs, and you need to make it your business to check up and make sure that your links still work. As well, a simple spelling mistake can cause a broken link or a misdirect, taking potential customers away from your affiliate products. That is why it is essential to check your links every few weeks to ensure that they are healthy and that they are taking your customers to the places that you want them to go. That will ensure that their buyer dollars and your commissions come to you. What are you afraid of as an affiliate marketer? Posting to TikTok for the first time? Going live? Who's going to talk to me? What am I going to say? What if no one likes what I'm saying? Fear of failure is one of the absolute #1 mistakes that people who start affiliate marketing businesses fall into. Our school system teaches children to be afraid of failure. Think of the last time you wrote a test. What was your number one concern? Am I going to pass? Will I get a good mark? What if I don't get a good mark? It's going to act against me. I know that our children are taught to fear failure because I'm a teacher and I see it happen all the time. Fear of failure is one mistake that new affiliate marketers make when they're first getting started. But the ironic truth is, if you do not fail, you will not learn how to be successful. I always refer my students to my favorite Michael Jordan quote. Michael Jordan, the basketball player. I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games. 26 times I've been trusted to take the game-winning shot and I've missed. I've failed over and over and over in my life, and that is why I succeed. So he's telling us that the reason he's a successful basketball player, coach, business person is because he's failed? Yep, that's what he's telling us. Failure teaches us things that success never will teach us. The most important thing that you can do when you are first starting out is start. Don't be afraid to start. It is quite likely that those first videos, first TikToks, first emails, first coaching calls are not going to be your best. They could also be absolute failures, but your successes as an affiliate marketer rest on your failures. Look at your analytics. Determine why a video or an email flopped. Take a look and see what could you have done better. Fine-tune your next project and adjust accordingly so that you have the chance to fail forward. Pick yourself up, learn from your mistakes, and use what you've learned to fuel your path forward towards success. Not taking action when you have information is a big mistake that new affiliate marketers and many experienced affiliate marketers make. There's this quote that I like. It's often attributed to Albert Einstein. It goes like this: insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results each time. When you keep doing something over and over without making any changes and you expect to see different results, that is insanity. You are not looking at reality clearly. Not implementing what you know to be a proven strategy and not acting on information that you possess that could prevent you from achieving the success you're seeking is definitely what you don't want to do. You can share as many valuable tips as you want in your content, but if you do not apply the same principles and techniques that you are teaching other people, you are not going to experience success and you are not taking action to make any changes. Taking action also involves looking at what you're not doing well and adjusting to improve your success. If you have access to tools like Google Analytics or the back office of any of the programs that you're using, it is to your benefit to use that information, to learn how to use that information to help make what you are doing better. If we have access to tools and we are choosing not to use them, we can only blame ourselves for not taking action and for staying stuck where we are. So, another mistake that new affiliate marketers make is not taking action and not learning when those things can be used to your benefit. People start out in affiliate marketing. What is their focus? Sales, money, commission, click my link. But in my opinion, the number one mistake that new affiliate marketers make is focusing on the sale rather than nurturing the relationship with their followers. I see lots of people who start out rushing customers to their affiliate link, focusing on closing that sale. But in general, the chances of closing that sale are very, very slim. People need exposure to you, high quality exposure. As a matter of fact, there's something called the 7-hour rule. And what that means is that people need to be exposed to 7 hours of high value exposure before you are going to be able to gain their trust, before they are going to feel like they know you, and before they can develop feelings of comfort and like for you. Think about how weirded out you would be if you went on a blind date and the person who sat down across the table from you, within 2 minutes of meeting you, started to plan your wedding date, the names of all your children, where you would live, what your vacations would be, and which cemetery you would be buying your burial plots in so that you could spend eternity together. Yeah, definitely very weird. The same thing holds true in a buyer relationship. Those people who are interested in you and in what you are promoting need to be nurtured and gradually come to know, like, and trust you. Expecting a sale from one person seeing a 10-second TikTok, completely unrealistic. Instead, you need to seek out ways to build community, establish rapport, and create relationships with the people whom you hope to do business with. Focusing on building a relationship, the sales will come naturally after that. That is what I think the number one mistake most affiliate marketers are making when they see they are not making any sales. So there you have it, friends. Those are the top 5 mistakes that new and not so new affiliate marketers are making on a regular basis that can contribute to many struggles along the way. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Also, give the video a big thumbs up for me, please. If you have any questions about this topic, be sure to drop a comment below and I will get back to you either with a response or another video. And also remember, if you're interested in anything that I've told you here, you have some options. In the video link below, you can see an option to join my Facebook group where I will help you become an affiliate marketer. As well, you have the opportunity to check out the 15-day Business Builder Challenge where I learned for $7 the skills it took me to get started in affiliate marketing. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'll see you in the next video.